Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will see how to place the quotation from the admin side. We'll see why you need to place the quotation from the admin, and we'll also go through how to place the quotation from the admin. Thank you. So let's get started. Now let us assume that one of your customer calls you and asks you to place the quotation on his behalf. So in that situation, you can go and place the quotation from the admin side. So for that, you have to go to quote management, place a quote, view quotes, and click on add new quote. Now here the information is given. Now let us give the title as sample, and suppose if you have the email ID of your customers, then you can definitely type in. From here also you can go and check the email ID of your customer. Let us take this email ID as of Richard. You can copy this email ID and place it over here. So all the information regarding Richard will be populated automatically. So this is your existing customer who asks you to place the quotation for business card on his behalf. Now you have to select the quotation, same process as we have seen in the last video. From here you can select the quantity and all this information. If you want, you can select size 2.3 by 4, size, project title, additional information, and if you want to add the another product in this quote, then you can click on this and add another product. Now let me click on save and continue. Here, since the quotation is already received by you, the status of the quotation will be pending. Now when the customer places the quotation from store by himself, then you will receive the quotation, but here you have placed the quote on the customer's behalf, so the quotation will be in the pending status. Now here you can add the product from here also, and you can enter the details from here: shipping price, quantity price, and the price of the product. Suppose if you know the price of the product is 500, then you can enter the price, and if you want to post a message to the customer or cancel the quote, all these details same over here can be done, and click on save. Now the quotation status is quotation. Now you can go, or the customer can log in himself from store and can check the status of the quote. Now here you go onto the quote status and see that the quotation is placed, and he can view the review of the quote. He can also go into his my account and can click on my quotation and can see what you have sent to him. So here you have sent the business card, the size, color separation, yes, and here is the review. So it is up to the customer if he wants to accept the quote or rejects the quote. The 500 quantity, 5000 quantity and 500 is the price. If he likes the quote, then he can approve the quote. We will approve the quote, and the quotation will be termed as an order and will be placed as an order. So here the quotation is converted into an order. Select the shipping, all the details, necessary information details, and order is complete. So now the order is complete, and on the admin side you have received the order, and you can check that the order is a custom order, quote order. Here you can click on here and you can see this is the quotation. So this way you can paste the quotation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.